Well, hey gang, I feel like it's been a hot minute since we've done a mountain climb.
Today we are doing the Red Robin Mine Track, which is 13 kilometers return and with great views.
Definitely not short on amazing views.
That's how windy did.
The walk starts at the Mount Loch car park near the Mount Hotham village, and you're immediately greeted by 360-degree views of the nearby mountain tops. At the beginning of the walk, you go past the tops of the chairlifts at the Hotham ski resort. The grass creates a stark contrast to the snow coverage in winter. Casual, no worries, mate. You keen for that in winter? The majority of the walk follows a file trail and is relatively easy with only gentle dips and peaks. Stopping for a quick breather at the top of the Orchard chairlift. It is nice up here. One day I'll go and do Spargos. Well, it's been a good walk so far. No dramas yet. Getting a bit of a sweat on.
Yeah.
And it's really windy.
Don't touch me, I'm sweaty. Check out the sick view. Although I'm feeling sick now. The wind is pushing me away. I'm going further. They're like, no, go back. Go back.
The peak of Mount Loch is a rugged but short detour off the main track. The views at the top are absolutely phenomenal. Just at the summit of Mount Loch. And it's beautiful up here, though the wind is really going nuts. So Braggs was upset with me this morning. Tell him why you were upset with me this morning.
No, I don't. You ate my cake.
Where did I eat your cake?
In the house.
In what plane of existence?
In my dreams.
She was mad at me all morning because I ate her cake in her dream.
They were supposed to be between us.
Hello.
Hi. Put allegations on me that I'm stealing stuff.
She just goes, puts her hand in my pocket, it's like, it's for love. And I was like, well, I didn't accuse you of anything different, but now I'm suspicious.
I don't understand the, allegations.
Comes from a history of stealing stuff out of my pockets in the name of love.
These are all allegations. Do you have a lawyer?
I'll see you in court. It's like we finally entered the fly zone. They're a bit annoying here. Continuing the hike, you reach a section of brutal switchbacks before finally reaching the Red Robin Mine. Another switchback. Must be getting pretty close now. Hey, looks promising. The Red Robin Mine is Victoria's most recent and highest altitude traditional gold mine. It opened in 1940 and apparently still runs in a limited capacity. It was famous for having incredibly high yields. What do you reckon it is?
It looks like a bolt. Broken bolt.
Yeah, it looks like a valve or something. I don't know. Feels spoiled. I need for some lunch. Got egg salad for today.
Seriously, people get very creative, like, disposing their garbage like this, like, behind a pillar. Like, what?
Dickheads, we'll take it. Well, there you go. That's the mine. I'm not gonna lie, I was expecting a bit more of the mine here, but the walk to here is fantastic. Highly recommend. And now we gotta make our way back up the mountain.
I wish I was a monkey. I can
Why?
climb the trees. Like, I can climb the trees and I don't have to walk all the way up. It's really steep. I can just climb the trees. Just some thoughts.
Why would you pick a monkey instead of like a bird?
Yeah.
I made it up to the top of all those switchbacks. back near the summit. Got my sweat on again. Well, if nothing else, I can definitely make a video of me suffering. Wasn't even that hard, I just looked the part, I think. But anyway, picked up some stragglers.
Both shoes, like our design.
But yeah, I've been suffering from shin splints lately. Like just all down here. Trying to get fit and overdone it.
I like this walk, views, good amount of exercise because it's pretty steep at some places, so I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, it's definitely a nice walk. So it's only just that coming back, just the end bit. From here on out, it's gonna be pretty easy and relatively downhill, I think. There, that red building is where we need to go to finish. So let's crack on. Nearly there.
My soul hurts. My leg soul. Not like my soul.
Like your leg hands, so
My leg soul.
the bottom of your leg hands.
Yeah, this soul hurts. Not my soul that is inside me. That is very happy.
Well, that was the Red Robin Mine and Mount Loch track. Pretty nice. Now we're gonna get away from all of these flies. We're covered in them. See you in the next one.
Won't you keep it burning, honey? Why?